Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change out the backstrap for the Gen 4 and Gen 5 Glocks. The reason to change out your backstrap is it just allows each individual person to change the circumference of their grip. And it's pretty easy to do it. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is clear the firearm. Remove that source of ammunition, and unlock the slide to the rear. Physically and visually inspect that chamber. Inspect your magazine well. And one last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. Alright, your firearm's clear. Now, depending on which model Glock that you purchased or that you have, it's either going to come with a backstrap kit like this, or it's going to come in a little baggie like this, and it'll contain a couple backstraps, your new backstrap pin, then the Glock multi-tool. So the first thing you want to do is remove the backstrap pin that's already in the firearm. Pick up your Glock multi-tool. If you don't have a Glock multi-tool, you can always use a metal punch rod. Line the multi-tool up with the backstrap pin and apply slight pressure. Pin will come right out. Now you want to make note that the backstrap pin that came with the backstrap kit is going to be a little bit longer than the one that came with your firearm. So you want to make sure to separate the two. Choose which backstrap that you want to use. Then you're going to apply pressure to the backstrap on the firearm and mold it. You'll hear it click once it clicks into place. So now you're going to want to line up your backstrap pin with your backstrap. Apply pressure and it'll slide right through. There you go, and it's that easy. Pretty easy, pretty quick to do. And then you want to make sure that it fits the circumference of your hand pretty comfortably. If it doesn't, just continue to change out those back straps. All right, thank you.